What's going on, guys? It's your boy Javon, and I'm back with another reaction video for you guys, man. Guys, I'm back with a brand new group to my channel. Today I'll be checking out Naughty by Nature, and the song that I'll be reacting to is called O.P.P. Now, this group was on my hip-hop list to do, man. I have this song by them and another song that was recommended, Hip Hip Hooray. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and check it out, man. I got the video pulled up. I got my headphones on, guys, and we're about to check this out together. Naughty by Nature, O.P.P. Let's check them out, man. See what they could bring.
Army with harmony.
Right. Got me moving already. Got the Michael Jackson sample? Yeah. Y'all better come hard, man.
O.P.P, how can I explain it? I take it frame by frame it. To have y'all all jumping, shouting, saying
okay.
it. O is for other, P is for people scratch your temple. The last P, well, that's not that simple. It's sort of like a, well, another way to call a cat kitten. There's 5 little letters that are missing, yeah. You get it on occasion if the other party isn't gaming. It seems I gotta start to explain it. Bust it. You ever had a girl that met her on a nice hello? They get her name and number, then let feel it real mellow.
Okay.
You get home way today, she's what you wanna know about. Do you call up and it's a girlfriend's or a cousin's house? It's not a brother, F to the R to the O to the N to the T. It's just some boyfriends out of house. Oh, that's what she's gonna read. It's O.P.P, some other people's, but you get it. There's no room for relationships, it's just room to hit it. How many brothers out there know this what I'm getting at? Who think it's wrong cause I was splitting and co-hitting that?
Hey, this man flows nice.
O.P.P and you're not down with it, but if you don't, here's your membership. Get down with O.P.P. Yeah, you know me. Get down with O.P.P. Yeah, you know me. Get down with O.P.P. Yeah, you know me. Who's down with O.P.P.? Every last on me. Get down with O.P.P. Yeah, you know me. Get down with O.P.P. Yeah, you know me. Get down with O.P.P. Yeah, you know me. Who's down with O.P.P.?
Hey, guys, I like what they did. I like this, man. I like what they did with the Michael Jackson ABC sample. They definitely made it work, man. My man right here, his flow is nice, and he's talking about something that some guys probably went through before. You met a girl, you got her number. Every time you try to call her, she's like, "Oh, I'm at my girlfriend's, I'm at my friend," but she okay has a man, But you don't want no relationship with her anyway. So you're just like, you know what, man, I'm gonna let her do her. But I like, man, this is different, man. This is what hip hop should be again, man. It's getting you moving, it's getting you dancing, but it also like, everybody could sing along with it. Everybody having a good time. Let's get back to a song, man.
Get down with O.P.P. Yeah, you know me. Who's down with O.P.P.? For the ladies, O.P.P. means something gifted. The first letter the same, but the last is something different.
Okay.
It's the longest, loveliest, lean. I call it the leanest. It's another 5-letter word rhyming with cleanest and meanest. I won't get into that. I do it sort of properly. I say the last P, stands for property. Now, lady, here comes a kiss. Blow a kiss back to me. Now tell me exactly. Have you ever known a brother who had another like a girl or wife? And you just had to stop a toast cause he looked just that nice. You looked at him, he looked at you, and you knew right away. He had someone, but he was gonna be yours anyway. You won't be seen with him at all, and still you didn't care. Cause in a room behind the door, no one but y'all are there. When y'all are finished, y'all can leave and only y'all would know. And y'all can throw that skeleton bone right in the closet door. Now don't be shocked cause if you're down, I want your hands up high. Say O.P.P. I like it said with pride. Now when you do it well and make sure that it counts. You're now down with a discount. You're down with O.P.P. You're down with O.P.P.
Hey, that Queen Elizabeth. Wait. That was
closet door. Now don't be shocked cause if you're down, I want your hands up high. Say O.P.P. I like it said with pride. Now when you do it well and make sure that it counts. You're now down with a discount. You're down with O.P.P. You're down with O.P.P. You're down with O.P.P. Who's down with O.P.P.? You're down with O.P.P. You're down with O.P.P. You're down with O.P.P. Who's down with O.P.P.?
I just imagine when this song came out, it got all the girls just walking around singing that, "You down with O.P.?" If this song come out, everybody singing along. I'm down with O.P.P. I just imagine, man. Like, you guys gotta let me know if this was a popular club song back in the day. Like if people were jamming out this in club, I would imagine people were doing it, man. But I like the vibes of this song, man. And, you know, you can sing along to it. You know, what more can you ask for? Nice flow, good beat. You can sing along to it. Let's get back to this song, man.
Yeah, try to O.P.P me. I had a girl and she knew that. Matter of fact, her and my girl was partners that had a fall, a disagreement, yeah, an argument. She tried to do me, so we did it in my apartment. Bust it, that wasn't a thing, it must have been the way she hit the ceiling. Cause after that, she kept on coming back and catching feelings. I said, let's go, my girl is coming, so you gotta leave. She said, oh no, I love you, church. I said, now, child, please. You got to leave, come grab your coat right now, you gotta go. I said, now, look, you gotta go. This was a thing, a little thing, you shouldn't have put your heart. Cause you know I was O.P.P help from the very start. Yeah. Come on, now let me tell you what it's all about. When you get down, you can't go around running off at the mouth. That's rule number one in this O.P.P establishment. You keep your mouth shut and it won't get back to her or him. Exciting, isn't it? A special kind of business. Many of you will catch the same sort of O.P.P visit with him or her. For sure, I'm going to admit it. When O.P.P comes, damn skippy, I'm with you. Down with O.P.P? You down with O.P.P? You down with O.P.P?
Yeah, you know me.
Who's down with O.P.P?
Who's down with O.P.P?
You down with O.P.P? You down with O.P.P? You down with O.P.P? Who's down with O.P.P? Break it down.
Oh wow, man. Hey guys, this song. Wait, why is it playing now? This song was definite. Wait. No, you ain't gonna play that. You're trying to play jump around. This song was definitely a vibe, man. You know, with O.P.P, I think this is one of the songs that everybody just come together and just like sing along with. You know, I like how they use that sample. They definitely made it work. My man, his flow was nice. Like he did not stutter one bit. Like he just like killed it from the moment he started rapping all the way to the end. He always say, "Yo, you know what time it is, man. This stays between us. You know, your partner don't gotta know. You know, ain't nothing gonna get back. Ain't nothing gonna get back to us. You know, this gonna be our little secret, basically." But yeah, this O.P.P, man. Let me know if you're down below in the comment section. If this is your first time to my channel, guys, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. Any other songs you'd like me to add to my hip hop list, just let me know down below, and I add it to it if I don't have it on there already. Like and share this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. It's been your boy Jay. Peace.
Essa daqui é pica, hein?